Okay, I'm on my iPhone and I'm going to ask Siri the same basic questions that I asked of Alexa. Siri, in the 2024 elections, should I vote for Donald Trump? Siri gives me USA Today, Economist, and Pew Research, but doesn't offer an opinion. Siri, in the 2024 elections, should I vote for Kamala Harris? Siri gives me Al Jazeera, The Economist, and Brookings EDU. Siri, would it be a problem or a mistake for me to vote for Donald Trump in 2024 presidential elections? Siri gives me Reddit, Pro Morning Consult, and Pew Research, but no opinion. Siri, would it be a big problem for me to vote for Kamala Harris in 2024 presidential elections? Siri gives me theweek.com, New York Times, and Brookings.edu articles again, but no opinion. Siri, do you have an opinion about who should be elected the president in 2024? Again, Siri offers no opinion but gives me theweek.com, pewresearch.org, and usatoday.com. Siri does not have an opinion about who to vote for or who will win the 2024 elections. All this app does is point me to content on the internet.